Hola, hello. Welcome to another Ellen Moon tutorial finally. This is a really quick one. You only need 2 knots. You need the reverse lark head knot and the double half hitch. Welcome to another Ellen the Moon project. This one is kind of rushed, so I apologize. I had to leave and go away from my home for 2 months for my son's medical treatment. So please enjoy. It's kind of rushed though. I'm gonna unravel this. It's tri-strand. So you can make this with single strand 3mm. I cannot guarantee the result or whether it will brush easily. All right, so now I have it separated into 3 pieces. This particular cord rope is very fine. It's easily brushable. Not all macrame cord can be brushed and combed like this. Like I said, this is Loops and Threads brand. A lot of them are tightly wound so that they're not really conducive to you brushing or combing them and giving off a really nice sheen. This is pretty inexpensive. I got it at Michael's, which is a craft store here in the United States. You can order it online as well. I don't recommend it for other projects so much because it, in my opinion, isn't very high quality. But I do like the way that it turned out for this festival piece, just to show you what can be done. Unravel this real quick, and then I start to pull it out. So one thing that is important to note is that it is best to start all the way at the bottom with your combing or brushing. You need to use a fine tooth comb or brush, but and preferably hard bristles as opposed to soft prickly bristles with the brush. But you need to untwist as you comb. So you need to start at the bottom, not at the top like I did, but like I said, I rushed this because I needed to leave town and I couldn't take any of my macrame forms or tools or anything of that nature for 2 months. So start at the bottom, untwist as you comb and brush, and basically it's just gonna look really, really glisteny and nice. So I have them all added so far on the front. Some of them I only hitched over one time because I want to put it on myself and make sure that it fits right in this area. This mannequin is large, extra large, which I am, but these aren't the right cups, but I think it should fit me just fine. But if not, I'll just be able to pull down a little bit and let it unravel just by pulling and tugging, or I'll have to loosen it. So yeah. Now I'm going to do a little more brushing. Oops. So now I'm going to do a little more brushing because I want to make sure that it's not twisting up top. So one thing that I want you to know is as I was putting them on, I made sure that everything was unfurled once I went to knot it on. Now you'll see it's kind of twisted down below. Now you'll need to work all the way down and untwist them and brush for the remainder in order for it to stay more fringy like this and smooth like a horse's tail. A caballero, I don't know, I'm trying to think of the name in Spanish for horse. It's caba something. Anyhow, never mind. And then I'm just going to finish up brushing and do the back. So I hate the way my arms look, so I'm adding a little strip of braided rope around the top of the arm, so that when it falls, the rope falls, it falls over like where my arms are the largest. Yeah, it's just a problem spot for me. You may not have a problem spot with your arms, so you could even leave this off. You just make it like a halter style and leave the sides off, but I like to have my arms concealed for the most part. Not all the time, but just didn't want them out in flapping in the wind. LOL. All right, so here she is. I was gonna put her on, but I am about to leave for a trip and I'm rushing. Look how nice that looks. You can see how I did the shoulder. I added this one piece here so that it needs to be brushed again, but so that, all right, then it ties in the back. You see these two panels go down the shoulder blades. And then I double half hitched along here and then down onto the bottom. If you want more coverage, you can simply add more on the sides. I don't have any more left, and have it run down to finish the dress on either side if you want that closed up. But if you're going to a festival, you don't want to get too hot, okay? So you're going to want to leave it there. But by creating this piece that goes across here, it makes it so that it goes across the shoulders if you want to cover your arms up some more. So you will need to brush it before each wear. And if it rains, well, you're SOL.